Hello peoples! As we found out in the previous video, a bad idler pulley seems to be the cause of our bad timing belt alignment. To finally fix this problem, we ordered a second idler pulley from a different brand. Now it appears that luck is not on our side and well, here is the full story on our timing belt alignment issue. Hopefully we can save you some time in the future by not making the same mistakes or ordering aftermarket brand pulleys. Now let's dig right in. Just a quick heads up, usually every video we make represents that specific day we worked on the 850, but as we had to fix this problem before we move it to the car repair shop, we combined a few shorter days together in this video. And so here we are with the second idler pulley. This time it's one from Inna, which is the same brand that was already installed. Alright, first things first, we need to remove the tensioner again, reset it and remove the bad idler pulley.
Let's get cracking! Alright, with that serpentine belt tensioner off, let's set the timing again. Well then, let's get that idler pulley out. So that's the old one, which is the same brand as the new one. So hopefully we'll get an even better alignment with that one. So yeah, let's put that in there and see what's gonna happen. Fingers crossed. Alright, we got the tensioner back on. The belt is nice and aligned now. So let's put the tension back on by removing that little pin from the tensioner. And then the piston shoots out and that puts the pressure back on to the timing belt. So we turn the engine by hand a couple of times and it already seems to be going in the wrong direction again. Well, let's start her up and see what happens.
That's it though, it's okay. Ik dans als de malle. Hij loopt er niet buiten.
Whoa, why is it dancing like that? Is that belt even right? Should we just order a new belt or what?
I don't know.
Well, the old idler pulley was better than the one we have now. Well, the package was open when we received this new one. I really hope they didn't receive it back and then just, here you go, let's send it to someone else.
So, it did cross our mind at this point that maybe the belt itself is also bad, but the fact that the old idler pulley had better results and that the package from this one was already opened made us decide to order yet another one and from a different brand again. This one's expensive. Let's order that.
Well, good morning. Here we go again. 3 times a charm, right? So, first things first, we gotta set that timing right again. Now we gotta remove that tensioner again. Alright, we gotta compress that piston again. Now we gotta remove that idler pulley again.
Alright, let's install the tensioner.
Right, we checked the timing again and that seems to be alright, so we can now put the tension back on.
So now, let's turn it around twice.
So it already did move a little to the inner edge, but that's acceptable. Let's start her up to see what she does. Gotta take it off again. Alright, realigned everything. Let's check it out.
Come on.
You can do it!
Kom uit.
Niet goed?
Hetzelfde.
Helemaal naar binnen.
Ja.
Er is gewoon iets anders scheef nog, dat kan niet anders. So we reinstalled the old tensioner pulley to see if that causes the problem. Let's see what she does now.
Hij Hij danst nog steeds. En hij ligt helemaal naar binnen.
So it's not the tensioner pulley.
Die andere idler pulley, nou, liep die wel beter.
It could be that Gates idler pulley is bad. Alright, attempt number 395. This is with the old idler pulley and with the old tensioner pulley.
Heel beter. Ja. Die idler pulley dus. Alweer. Kijk maar.
Yeah, this is totally acceptable.
Het is gewoon weer een slechte idler.
Did we get 3 bad idler pulleys then?
Wel,
So we put the old tensioner on there and then the belt was all the way to the right again. Now with the old idler pulley everything's perfectly okay again. So did we get 3 bad idler pulleys? Really? 3 different brands also?
Ja, hij danst een heel klein beetje, maar het is gewoon in het midden.
That left to right, that's acceptable.
En die lijkt op het oog zo recht.
At least we know the new tensioner pulley is good. Because we had the same results with the old idler pulley and the new tensioner pulley. So that must mean we got 3 bad idler pulleys from 3 different brands, right?
Can someone just please make a good one?
Alright, so I think we can all agree that we will have to order yet another idler pulley. Maybe even order 10, I don't care, we're just gonna send everything back that we don't use. I'm done with this. All these new old parts, it's just... Maybe it's like you said, the molds are...
So yeah, maybe they just use molds or something to make this, and they use molds. Keep using molds. It's a bad story. The tolerance is out of the product or something like that, with all the molds used. I don't know what.
Yeah. At least we know now that the one from Gates is also bad, so another day wasted. And that is all we could do for today. So, thanks for watching and see you the next time. Alright, attempt number 4. We got the 4th idler pulley. That's the new one. Well, it looks and feels just like all the other ones, but... Alright, let's install it. So just to be absolutely sure, we're gonna leave the old tensioner pulley on and only replace the idler pulley to make very sure it's the idler pulley and not also the tensioner pulley, because it could also be the case that it's both, so yeah. Okay, let's see. That is not promising. Alright, let's start her up again and start crying again. Nee?
Nee.
Oké, klaar. Opruimen, wegwezen. Well, good morning. Here we are again. We are done with all those idler pulleys, because we are no longer sure if it's just the idler pulley, so we ordered a brand new set, well, without the water pump, but new idler pulley, new tensioner pulley and new belt, all from originally made by Volvo. Right, let's try this out. So, it's the same song again. Remove the idler pulley, move the tensioner pulley, remove the tensioner, reset the tensioner, and then install the new parts. And then, yeah, I'm not gonna say it. Bye bye new old timing belt. Bye bye new old tensioner pulley. Bye bye 4th new old idler pulley. That's the new idler pulley in and the new tensioner pulley in. Now we just gotta wait for the tensioner itself to be reset. So in the meantime, Tell us a funny joke. Alright, let's put that belt on there then. We need to start at the crankshaft. Let me hold it for you then.
Eerst daarin frotten.
Jawohl. Alright, everything's lined up again. All the new parts are on. Please Volvo, don't disappoint. No weird sounds, everything keeps turning, so that's good. And then, at turn 2, see if the alignment is still alright.
Dat vind ik wel spannend.
It seems to be going in the wrong direction again, but now on the opposite side. Well, let's start and see what happens.
Kijk hoe steady die ligt.
Whoa, there's no wobble anymore, which is good news. Why do we have that knock in the engine? Did we have that before? I think I'm happy with this result. I mean, it's not touching on the inside anymore, which is good, I guess. The other belt was going all over, so maybe the belt was also not right. I don't know. I don't know, but I feel very relieved.
Ik ook.
I got a good feeling about this. I'm gonna say...
Hij ligt nou ook minder ver langs al.
Yeah. I'm not weird anymore.
It's not hitting anything.
I'm a little bit worried about that knock in the engine though, but that's not related to that, but... Oh well, we'll see. I'm happy. You?
For now, yes.
Right, so that concludes the timing belt problems. We're happy with this. We're gonna leave it like this. Oh yeah, wait. Oh yeah. That security ring has to go on. In case the tensioner fails, then the tensioner pulley will catch itself on that security ring. Right, so that's this phase done. Now it's a matter of installing the serpentine belt back and yeah, put on some plastic covers and stuff, and then we'll be driving our Volvo on to the car repair shop. So it's been a while, but this can go back.
We hadden 2 torkjes voor deze gebruikt.
Ja.
Hebben we die terug in het bakje gelegd.
Die twee daar dan niet, die zijn voor de dinges.
We hebben die gelaten.
Welke zijn die twee dan?
Dat weet ik niet.
En dan niet deze dan?
Zo lang gelegen.
Daarom.
Ja, maar wat zijn het hier voor dingen?
Die passen wel.
Wat is dit?
Weet ik niet. Die passen wel daarin.
Steuntjes en shit bij.
Lijkt me logisch dat dat deze zijn. Die hebben ook zo'n dingetje erop mee inzetten. Ja, dat moeten die zijn. Kan bijna niet anders.
Echt niet meer wel. Dan moet ik kijken wel een keer terug.
Ja. Yeah, we'll look at our own videos to see if we forgot anything.
It's been 2 years. De baken ook mee kunnen nemen.
Oh ja.
Misschien wel handig, zeg maar.
Ja, op zich is dat wel handig, ja. Ik ben het met jou eens.
Ja.
Kan niet.
Zeker wel.
Nee. Oh.
Dat is de aanslag. Ik heb riem niet nemen.
Oeh.
Gek.
Nee, jij.
Wat ik?
Jij doet hem los.
Jij had dat ding hier vast.
Right. Serpentine belt back. Got all the covers back.
Clean this and put it on its wheels.
Yep.
And that is the timing belt alignment finally fixed. Some of you have probably been screaming at the screen a couple of times, but hey, we all gotta learn, and we learned a whole lot. Now, with this stage completed, it is time to get the 850 to the car repair shop and fix the last problems before trying to pass the technical examination, and with that, get the 850 on the road again. But for now, that is all we could do today. So thanks for watching and see you the next time.